Hi, it's Craig, and this tip shows how to play keyboards without playing keyboards. Celemoni's Melodyne pitch correction software, which is included in some programs and also available separately, can convert audio to MIDI data. So suppose you have a drum part and play a bass part on guitar. Analyze the guitar part with Melodyne, then drag it into a MIDI track driving an instrument like Arturia's Mini V3. The process is slightly different for different DAWs, but the principle is the same. You can even sing melody lines. Let's take this terrible vocal, convert it into MIDI, then use it to drive Native Instruments' FM8 synthesizer. Yes, it really is true that if you hum a few bars, I can fake it.